Look at this tasty dish! To make it, mix 4 eggs with 100 grams of sugar. Then pour in half a teaspoon of salt and vanilla extract and 500 milliliters of milk. Whisk everything through. Next, use a sieve to sift 160 grams of cake flour into the mix. This will help remove any lumps. Then whisk it through until smooth. Pour in 30 grams of melted butter and combine everything. Then cover with cling film and refrigerate for an hour. Once cooled, separate the batter evenly into 7 bowls and use multicolored food dye to color the batter. Cook up your batter one by one, making sure to cook evenly on both sides. And remember, use a non-stick pan and clean your pan in between each crepe. Once you've cooked all the crepes, use a circular cake cutter to trim the edges off. Remove the excess and tidy away your crepe. Now whisk together 50 milliliters of whipping cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then pour in 100 grams of icing sugar and blend everything well to create a thick mix. Lay out your first crepe. Then lay down some thick whipped cream on top and spread it all around the crepe. Create a nice flat surface. Lay another of the same colour down on top, smooth it out, and then spread out more cream. Create another flat surface. Repeat with all the layers left of that colour. Then continue the pattern using each batch of differently coloured crepes to create a rainbow effect. Make sure you don't lose track of which colour you're using at any given time. Once you reach the final crepe, spread out more whipped cream in a thick layer. It's like putting frosting on a cake. Top this cream with rainbow sprinkles that match your crepe colours. Finally, you can step back and take in your work. When you cut through, you really see the cool rainbow effect you've achieved. Well done!